Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to do something a little bit differently today. We are going to do an Apack MRE or emergency ration. We're going to do a review on these. We got these. We're selling them as part of our bug out bag kits. So you get 2 of them with it. We'll have the link posted below. But these were manufactured June 24 of 2020. And then they have an inspection date. I don't know if you can see that there. Inspection test date of June of 2025. Now these are the reduced sodium rations, so everybody tells me pack salt. So what we did is we just grabbed one out of here at random, and the one that we grabbed, it is Southwestern style beans with rice and chicken. So let's just go ahead and open this thing up. Just a little tear on it there. Pull it all out, see what we have. So we have your nutrition facts. This main pouch, I'm assuming, is the entree. We've got an MRE heater. So you pour water in there, it heats up your MRE with the instructions. Oh, that's important. You've got your little spork with a napkin, iodized salt, pepper, and some other seasoning, which it just says gluten-free, sodium-free seasoning, which that sounds delicious. Okay, we have your standard MRE cracker, peanut butter. You have, oh, so this other pouch, it is a sweet potato grape smoothie, and it comes in this pouch. Interesting. You know, one thing with these, there is no drink. There is no powdered drink or anything like that, which would have been kind of neat. But guys, give us a few minutes. We're going to get this cooking, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to heat this MRE up. So we're going to take our MRE heater. Do not overfill. Just rip the top off here. All right. And then take your pouch, your food pouch here. All right. All right. Just kind of bend it up so we can get it in the bag here. That in there, and then we're going to take just a little bit of water here. All right, filled it up to that line. Oops, I got a little taller. Okay, and then you fold it over, take your sleeve, make sure all that stuff gets wet in there. Alright, get those coated and wet. Make sure I did that right. Oh, did I do that right? Stop it. Okay, so I've got it in the bag. We're going to put our little sleeve back on here. I thought I had done it wrong. That's why I stopped the camera there, but put that in there like so. And then just kind of lean it up against something, which I'm just going to set that aside for now. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, I got my nice patriotic plate here. We're going to just open up our cracker. Again, it's just a standard MRE cracker. Now a lot of times these are broken. Let's see how they are here. Looks like they're in there. Oh, look at that. They're actually in one piece. So we're just going to put that, we're just going to put one of them here on the plate. Going to open up our, so you've got one napkin, you've got oops, upside down. We got pepper. We've got a gluten-free seasoning. And we've got iodized salt tablets. So while we're waiting for that to heat up, let's just go ahead and grab, oh, it's not peanut butter, sorry, it is sunflower butter. Interesting. So let's just go ahead and give that a couple of squeezes here. All right. See if we can get this open. All right. I'm just grabbing a little piece of cracker here, putting some of that on there. Again, this is sunflower butter, but again, as you can see, the consistency and everything is, and my camera won't focus, but it's like peanut butter. Cracker's nice and crunchy. That sunflower butter is actually really good. I actually prefer that over peanut butter. My son's in here with me. Christian, you want to try this?
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me what you think of that.
Not bad.
Not bad. Want some more?
Okay.
While we wait. And I didn't get my tail all the way off here on this package, so I'm just going to take that off, set it aside, get him some more of this sunflower butter and cracker here. There you go.
Yes.
All right. Not bad. All right, guys. So that is that. I'm going to set that aside. Now, we're going to check out the sweet potato and grape smoothie. Now, I don't know, guys. I'm a little nervous about this one. I mean, it's pretty thick. So we're just going to open this bad boy up and see what we have. So you've got, try the other side here.
I'm in a little trouble.
So I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of looks like Gerber baby food is what it kind of reminds me of. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit here. Now let's take a taste test here. Here goes nothing, guys. You know what? That really isn't too bad at all. That's pretty good. Christian, you want to try this?
I don't trust it.
It's good. I'm telling you. Yeah, I mean, it's got good texture to it. I can taste the grape and something else that I'm assuming is sweet potato, but I'm not really sure. You know what? That's okay. All right, guys. We're going to wait for this our main entree to heat up, and we'll be back. Okay, guys. So now we've got our meal heating up. I don't know how hot it's going to be, but let's check it out. Take the sleeve off. Take our entree out of here. And set that aside. We'll try not to spill that. And then it's, yeah, I mean, it's warm, but you can definitely tell that some parts of it are still cold. So we're just going to do that. And then you got these nice little rip spots here. Let's see if we can get it, grab an end here, get it open. All right. So there is, your entree kind of looks like that. So give us a second, we'll get it plated up. We'll be right back. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but here is the entree. So let's dig in here. So it looks like you've got some kidney beans, some rice. I don't know if the camera's going to focus in on that. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's edible. I don't really see a lot of chicken in here. I see more beans and rice than anything else. But it definitely needs salt. So we're going to go ahead and put the iodized salt on here. Try to jazz it up just a little bit. All right. I'm going to put the pepper on there, the black pepper that comes with it. Yeah, get some of that on there. Okay. And then whatever this gluten-free, sodium-free seasoning is, I'm going to put this on there too. And then let's see what this is all about. Which pretty much smells like garlic powder. Alright. Stir that in there. And it's, you know, the heater, it's more lukewarm. It's not hot, I wouldn't say. But it's, you know, it's certainly edible. Alright, so let's give this a try now that we've spiced it up a little bit. That's better. I'm going to go ahead and put some on our cracker here. Not bad. Not bad at all. And again, this was the Southwestern style beans with rice and chicken. All in all, not bad. It'd be nice to have a drink with it, but I could eat this. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and again, if you have any interest in our bug out bags that come with 2 of these MREs, check out the link below. Thanks guys.